Qualities of people with Pisces Moon Sign. Individuals with a Pisces Moon Sign possess distinct qualities and characteristics influenced by the sensitive and empathetic nature of Pisces. Here are some common qualities associated with people having a Pisces Moon Sign. Highly emotional and empathetic. Pisces Moon individuals are deeply in touch with their emotions and the emotions of others. They have a high level of empathy and can easily pick up on the feelings and needs of those around them. Imaginative and creative. They have a rich and vivid imagination. Pisces Moon people possess a natural creativity and are often drawn to artistic pursuits such as music, writing, or visual arts. They have a talent for bringing their inner world to life. Compassionate and caring. They have a compassionate and caring nature. Pisces Moon individuals genuinely care about the well-being of others and are often willing to go out of their way to help those in need. They are known for their kindness and willingness to lend an ear. Intuitive and psychic sensitivity. They have a strong intuition and psychic sensitivity. Pisces Moon people are highly attuned to their surroundings and have a keen ability to pick up on subtle energies. They may have prophetic dreams or a heightened sense of intuition. Idealistic and dreamy. They possess a strong idealistic nature and a tendency to dream. Pisces Moon individuals have a rich inner world and may often find solace in their fantasies and daydreams. They have a longing for a more ideal and utopian reality. Spiritual and mystical inclinations. They have a natural affinity for spirituality and the mystical realms. Pisces Moon people may be drawn to practices such as meditation, yoga, or other spiritual traditions. They have a deep sense of interconnectedness with the universe. Sensitivity to energy and atmosphere. They are highly sensitive to the energy and atmosphere of their environment. Pisces Moon individuals may be affected by the energies around them, including the emotions of others. They may prefer serene and peaceful settings. Escapism and a need for solitude. They may have a tendency to escape from reality and seek solitude. Pisces Moon people often require alone time to recharge and process their emotions. They may find solace in creative pursuits or immersing themselves in nature. Adaptive and flexible. They have a natural ability to adapt to different situations and people. Pisces Moon individuals are flexible and can easily go with the flow. They can adjust their emotions and behaviors to fit the needs of others. Boundaries and self-care. They may struggle with setting boundaries and taking care of themselves. Pisces Moon individuals tend to prioritize the needs of others and may neglect their own well-being. It's important for them to learn self-care practices and establish healthy boundaries. It's important to note that the moon sign is just one aspect of a person's astrological profile, and other factors, such as the placement of other planets, can influence their personality and behavior.